Hi friends, there is a famous saying that practice makes a man perfect. Now we are going to discuss this saying in terms of stock market. Does it actually happens in stock market as well? Well, there is a saying by famous trader Jesse Livermore, who was also regarded with the title Great Bears in his times. He once quoted that practice do makes a man perfect, but in stock market, wrong practice does not makes you perfect at all. So the thing is, like, if you are taking wrong trades again and again and again and repeating the same mistake, saying that, oh, I'm still learning, no, it is not going to make you perfect at all. To be perfect, you have to learn from your mistakes and not repeat it the next time. So let us analyze his saying and practically see whether it is right and it is being followed these days or not. It was just a thing of past and it is not being followed these days. So we are just going to analyze this factor. So let's start. I'm having a chart in front of you, and here there is a one moving average, simple moving average, and pivots are there. Now I can see that moving average is being constantly followed, and I just see, okay, moving average is being followed, fine. The stock just came down from, and I just got a lot of those who might have actually followed this moving average and taken trade that time, they could have earned a lot. Let me also just follow this concept. Okay, so now as soon as the moving average crossed here, I just took the position of buy. So it went here, great. It got stuck here, fine. Okay, then it came down and stuff, and maybe I'm in the trade, or if I'm strictly following the moving averages, I could have exited at this particular point over here, the moment moving average crossed. Okay, then again I see, well, this is a 5-minute time frame. Okay, and since this video is just for understanding purposes, so if you are trading in 5 minutes, although it is applicable to other time frames as well, but I prefer trading in 5 minutes, so I'm just telling you these things. Okay, now again from here I see, okay, it got up, it is on the moving average. Let me enter in, it might go up further up. No, it did not went that up. Okay, again the same scenario, you can see the same scenario was happening again here all the way. The stock was on the moving average, and if I could have taken trades over here, I might have failed multiple times, because at each and every point it was either, okay, it just crossed, it came down, it just crossed this moving average, now it might go up, no, it did not, it again went down, and so on. Finally my day ended. These dots are for the session breaks. Okay, let me just move on to the next day. I'm following the same practice. Okay, again here I see that the moving average got respected. I entered into a trade, good, I earned something. It went here, it again came down. How much did I actually earn? It was just, I entered here after the cross of this moving average here, and then I might have exited around here when this thing happened. How much did I actually earn? I don't think it is much. Okay, so it is just here and here, just point few, I don't know, few rupees or few points, few decimal places, nothing. I might have just lost in the margins only again. But the thing is, it has happened here. Those who followed this and those who had taken a trade on the break of this moving average, they have earned a lot. But I did not earn that much. Why is it so? I don't know. Again, since you saw that this did not work as expected, again I took a trade and similar things happened, and I just got frustrated and I just leave it. Okay, I'm not going to trade anymore in this moving average stuff. Now what happened the next day? It again moved up. See, From here only it just moved up, went up, further up. But meanwhile, what was happening? These things were happening meanwhile. Okay, so I'm just doing it a bit more ahead for you. So again, if I see this area also, again the same things were happening, similar things. There are a lot of whipsaws in various positions. For example, here there is an area of whipsaw, this is an area of whipsaw. Then okay, it fairly prints straight pretty much well down here, and up from here also, but minutely if I see, here also there was an area of whipsaw, again an area of whipsaw, again. Okay, now the conclusion is that you don't have to see moving average at all. Okay, we are discussing in terms of practice. So practicing the wrong things here in this perspective relates to taking again and again wrong trade based on the moving average alone, in spite of knowing that this is not always functioning. It is not always giving you profits as expected. If it had happened historically once, it might not happen again. Okay, so what is the solution? So solution is, this case is, you can draw a trend line. So from here to here, you see, not only, although the moving average is not being respected, trend line is being respected. Same way from here, you can see it is pretty well respecting. If I just delete this one for you, this one also is pretty fairly respecting. All the points are getting respected, and once it has crossed the trend line, it moved above. Okay, this is the stuff which we analyzed, and we found that over a period of days. So this is the first 5 minutes on 27th, this is the 5-minute charts of 28. Moving average alone is not working, and even prior to that and even ahead of that also, moving average alone is not working. We have to take support of other tools, other stuff, so that you get pretty good perfection and you are able to know, okay, this is right, this is wrong, I don't need to trade this area, this is consolidation, this is a channel, this is a triangle, this is a pattern, this move is not working, breakout is always not working. So you have to, you might need to add more indicators, switch and scroll through multiple time frame charts, and just be perfect rather than just doing the same thing again and again and becoming imperfect. So we'll discuss more on multi-time frame strategies as well as other strategies which are going to finish and add stars to your trading, so that you can be perfect. Not everyone is perfect, but of course you are at least able to maximize your gains and minimize your losses. Thanks everyone, that's it in this video, and meet you in next video. Bye.